took a poll in my community tab here on YouTube asking which print-on-demand products you would want to see a detailed review on, and here were the results. With this in mind, I wanted to start an ongoing series here on my channel discussing different print-on-demand products, profit margins for those products, pricing strategies, and ultimately which print-on-demand products are able to make you over $100 a day. My name is Taylor and my channel is focused on all things Etsy and print-on-demand. If those are two things that interest you, I'd love to have you introduce yourself in the comments. I'll be sure to say hi and subscribe for more videos like this. Here on my channel, I share my journey with Etsy and print-on-demand, as well as create content surrounding the tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. If you're not familiar with print-on-demand is when you partner with a printing company such as PRINTIFY. You create designs utilizing something like Canva or Kittl, upload those designs to your print company's website, and then you sync it over to Etsy. When a customer then purchases your product on Etsy, your print company will then make, package, and ship your items so that you do not have to do any of the physical work of making a product or holding large amounts of inventory. This is the business model that has earned me over $75,000 in revenue in the last 10 months. Truly, anyone can do this for themselves as well. And if you're looking to get started, in the description, I have a link to my free POD Kickstart mini course that will walk you through the foundations and what all you need to know to begin an Etsy and print-on-demand business. All of the products shown in today's video are from PRINTIFY, as that is my preferred print provider. From my experience, PRINTIFY has always had the lowest prices, and that has allowed me to maintain a really great profit margin on any of the products that I sell, and can really help you reach that $100 a day milestone. And I'll be sure to include a link to PRINTIFY in the description box down below. Product number one, since majority of the voters on my poll wanted to see apparel, I did include one apparel piece. However, I took it a little bit of a different direction, and that is with kids apparel. Now, a lot of people will comment that they feel apparel is oversaturated. However, oversaturated is really a word that I don't like to use within my vocabulary, and I encourage you to eliminate that word from your vocabulary as well. Here's why. Now, this is gonna be a little bit of a hot take, but when you blame oversaturation, you are not taking accountability for how you're showing up. You have to be willing to do what others aren't. That means investing your time in research, spend time branding your shop, filling in all the details, creating optimized listings. If you're just guessing and doing the bare minimum and hoping to see results, the harsh truth is you won't. I don't ever want to sugarcoat this business model and promise you unicorns and rainbows, because it does require work. But that is my goal here. I just want to inspire and teach you how it can be done. Woo! Okay, that was a little tangent. I'm just very passionate about it. Now, let's get back to our regularly scheduled programming. Toddler shirt. I decided to go with kids apparel because a lot of people want to dive into apparel. However, apparel can have a lot of competition, but often I just look at competition as validation that there is money to be made within that product type or within that niche. I did get this shirt from Swift POD, and it is the Rabbit Skins 3002. I have a 4-year-old little boy and he loves dinosaurs. That is why I ended up getting this design on the shirt. I got this design right off of Creative Fabrica. This product is priced at $14.58, or with PRINTIFY Premium, you would pay $11.23 with a shipping cost of $4.75. Here's an example of a shop that is selling just children's apparel, and I feel this is a great example of taking a popular product type and niching it down to a specific target audience. Taking a look at just their overall shop sales, we can see that they've been successful in this niche, and diving deeper into a few of their listings, they have multiple listings earning over $2,000 to $4,000 a month. So I would confirm that yes, this is an in-demand and profitable product type to be selling. How I would price this item, I would sell this shirt for $24.99. I would keep the shipping price the same for the customer at $4.75. I'm also going to keep a sale on this item in my shop for 20% off. This will bring the customer-facing price to $19.99, which is a great price point for apparel. With this strategy, I would profit $5.96 after all fees have been accounted for, which means I would need to sell 17 of these shirts to reach $100 a day. Product number 2 is a phone case. Now, this was the second highest product that was voted for in my poll, which I was really excited about because I've done research on phone cases before, And the potential with them is honestly incredible. So this is a product type that is still very high search on Etsy, but not as tapped into by print-on-demand sellers. This particular phone case that I did get is from Spoke Custom Products. As I'm filming this product, I feel like this is like a little hole for my face. Like, hello? Now, this is my first time actually ordering a sample of this phone case, and I am very impressed with the quality of it. It is very sturdy. It feels very durable. It's not easy to bend or anything like that. I have seen phone cases before that are just very flimsy and you could just fold them right in half. I mean, this is me putting some pressure. Obviously, I'm not like trying to snap this in half, but I'm putting some pressure, trying to bend it. It's very sturdy. And then it also, if you can see, has the rubber inside, and it also has that rubber around the edge, which I feel like gives a little bit of a lip around my phone. This product is priced at $10.45, or with Printify Premium, $8.05, with a shipping cost of $4.79. Y'all, look at this phone case on Etsy that is selling over $20,000 a month. This is one phone case. Looking at this shop's listings, they sell a variety of products, but a few of them being these custom pet phone cases, which is easily doable with print on demand. How I would price this item, I would sell this phone case for $29.99. Again, I would keep the shipping price the same for this item at $4.79. I'm also going to continue to keep that sale on this item for 20% off. This is going to bring the customer-facing price to $23.99. And with this strategy, I would profit $12.76 after all fees have been accounted for, which means I would need to sell 8 of these phone cases a day to reach $100 a day. Thinking about design for this product type, I would recommend offering personalization with this item, which will assist in achieving this higher price point. You can also find a lot of really great seamless designs on Creative Fabrica, which are great for phone cases, and that is actually how I found the design that you see here. This is just a seamless design that I found on Creative Fabrica. Product number 3, we have this soy candle. As we know, Etsy is known for being a platform buyers come to purchase gifts. Raise your hand if you've ever been gifted a candle. Probably many of you watching. As I was doing some research, there was an article that I found that did a survey that stated 64% of consumers have given candles as a gift. And in this same article, which I will link below, it mentioned how candle sales do generally spike within the colder months, which makes sense. However, 40% of candle buyers purchase candles consistently throughout the year. So combining this product type with specific niches throughout the year that cater towards gift giving may be a great direction to go to see success with this product type. This specific candle is from Lumient on Printify, and I purchased the clean cotton scent as that is my favorite scent that I get from Yankee Candle. It smells so good. I am obsessed with it. I would be really curious to purchase more of the other scents and see how they compare to popular scents that I've gotten from other candle companies before. This product is priced at $11.19 or $9.15 with Printify Premium, with a shipping cost of $7.99. Here is another example of a shop that has dialed into this product type and is seeing crazy success. This candle alone is bringing this shop nearly $2,000 in revenue each month, and they have many best sellers throughout their shop. To me, the coolest thing about this product type in all of the best sellers that I typically see with candles, they're strictly text-based designs usually. So if you are someone who may feel they struggle with design, text-based designs can be significantly easier to create. Generally with candles, you'll see designs that utilize just very clear, legible fonts with just funny sayings and quotes on them. Pro tip, some of the more raunchy sayings are what tend to do best, but I'll let you go do some research to see some of them. How I would price this item, I would sell this candle for $28.99 with a shipping price of $5.99. I am taking away some of the shipping costs and loading it into my front price for the product, as I personally feel lower shipping can be more appealing to the customer and increase conversion rate. Again, I'm going to keep a sale of 20% off for this product type. This will bring the customer-facing price to $23.19. With this strategy, I would profit $8.81 per sale after all fees, which means I would need to sell 12 candles a day to make $100 a day with this product type. Sticking with the theme of a great item to give as a gift, product number 4 is a coffee mug. This specific mug was printed by District Photo, and it is just their 11-ounce ceramic mug. Again, I got this design off of Creative Fabrica. It printed really well. I love hot chocolate, so I wanted to do a cute Christmas hot cocoa type mug. This product is priced at $4.40, and with Printify Premium, it is $3.39 with a shipping cost of $6.29. I wanted to share this shop with you as our example for profitability, as I feel it may be a bit inspirational. This shop hasn't been open for a full year yet, and they have made over 6,000 sales, and majority of what they sell is mugs. This is a great example of someone targeting a product type that has high demand and quite a bit of competition, but still creating a path for a successful print-on-demand business. Looking at the product analytics for their shop, you can see one of the mugs that they sell is generating them nearly $7,000 in revenue alone. I want you to take this as inspiration that your next listing could be the listing that ends up like this, earning you almost $7,000 a month. How I would price this item, I would sell this mug for $17.99 with a shipping price of $5.99. Again, keeping that sale of 20% off for this product type, that will bring the customer-facing price to $14.39. With this strategy, I would profit $8.32 per sale after all fees, which means I would need to sell 12 mugs each day to make $100 a day with this product type. Product number 5 is this 20-ounce tumbler from Spoke Custom Products. And again, this design is from Creative Fabrica. It is a little affirmation themed tumbler. Who doesn't need some daily affirmations in their life? This product is priced at $20.76, and with Printify Premium, it is $15.99 with a shipping cost of $6.09. Printify Premium is really going to take a nice chunk off of this product, so it will absolutely pay for itself. Here we are again with a listing for this product type that is selling over $20,000 a month. We cannot be sleeping on tumblers. There is tons of opportunity with them. This shop is another that sells a variety of product types. They seem to be really targeting different seasonal trends with these product types, but their product analytics speak for themselves. They have several of these tumblers selling over $5,000 in revenue each month for them. Therefore, this product type is validated for me. How I would price this item, I would sell this tumbler for $34.99 with a shipping price of $6.99. Continuing that sale price of 20% off in my shop, this will bring the customer-facing price to $27.99. With this strategy, I would profit $9.13 for each sale after all fees, which means I would need to sell 11 tumblers each day to make $100 a day with this product type. Comment down below which product type you are most interested in and what product types you want to hear about next in this series. I hope you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in the next one.